Hello everyone. In this video, I will be walking you through an image processing pipeline using OpenCV where we will apply various image transformations and feature detection techniques. In this video, we will cover loading images from dataset, displaying images with different filters applied, and applying features detection techniques like Harris, Corner, and SIFT. Let's dive into the code and explain it step by step. First of all, diving into the code, I will tell you the dataset I have used. The dataset is skin diseases image. Let's talk about dataset we are using. This dataset contains image of skin affected by various conditions such as rashes, infections, and lesions. These images are primarily of body parts like thighs, legs, and hands. The goal of this project to apply different images processing techniques to these images to help analyze the patterns and edges in the affected areas. By applying edge detection, smoothing filters, and feature extraction, we aim to extract relevant information for potential future medical image analysis. So first of all, importing the required libraries. So first of all, we have import the OS CV2 and matplotlib pyplot library for the visualization part. We are using OS library to interact with our file system, and CV2 library is the OpenCV library which is essential for computer vision tasks like image processing and feature extraction. And at last, matplotlib pyplot library is used for displaying the images for plots. After that, uh, defining the image folder and loading the images. So image folder, here the path is given to extracting the image folder and loading the images. The image underscore folder specifies the folder where images are stored, and image underscore files, we use a list comprehension to collect all the image file paths in the folder. Only files .png, .jpg, and jpeg extensions are considered, and cvt.imread image command is used, and it is used for reads all the images into a list called images. After that, the displaying the first image. So cvt.cvt color converts the image from bgr, means black, green, red format default in OpenCV to RGB format standard OpenCV to RGB format standard for display in matplotlib. plt.im show displays the first image, and plt.axis of hide the axis for cleaner display. After that, this is the output of this first code. After that, applying the Gaussian blur to the image. So cv2.gaussian blur, it is used to apply a Gaussian blur to each image in the gray image list. The 5,5 is the kernel size that defines the strength of the blur. After that, converting the images to the grayscale. So here gray underscore images equal to cv2.cvt color. So cv2.cvt color is converts all the images from bgr to grayscale format. This is useful for many image processing techniques as it reduces the complexity by eliminating the color information. After that, applying the median filter to the image. So here median blur, cv2.median blur, this applies the median filter to all the images, which helps to reduce the noise while preserving the edges. The phi is the size of the filter. Then apply the Canny edge detection to all the images. So here Canny underscore images equal to cv2.canny from image in blurred image. Here cv2.canny performs the Canny edge detection to the image, which finds the edges in the images, and also the thresholds of 100 and 200 controls the sensitivity of the edge detection, and then display all the images for the each states. So here we are written the code for displaying the images at each stages. So we are using the loop to display the images side by side for comparison. So here plt.subplot plt.subplot is used to arrange the images in a grid for easy comparison, and here each subplot shows the different transformation of the same images: grayscale, blurred, median filter, and edge detected. So here all the images such as grayscale image, blur image, median filter image, Canny edge detection is applied to all the images that shows uh, and displays the image at each stage. So here grayscale image 1, grayscale image 2, 3 and up to 10 images we have taken. So after that applying the Harris corner detection to the image. So here this function applies the Harris corner detection to all the images that we have taken. So this function applies Harris corner detection, which is useful for detecting the corners in an image. We first convert the image into the grayscale and then apply the CVT dot corner Harris to the images. The corner are marked in red on the images. So here the red marks that are corners to apply with the help of the Harris dot corners command. So CVT dot corner Harris is useful for detecting the corners in an image. So after that image, so we have get the output for this image. So img dot copy here, img dot copy we have used dot copy to ensure the original image remains unchanged, and also Harris corner detection is applied to all the images in the dataset. So we have seen the output for this Harris corner image. So we display the first image with the Harris corner highlighted. We have seen the red marks on this image, red dot. After that applying the initialize SIFT detector. So cv2.shift detector is used, and that create the SIFT means scale invariant feature transform detector. SIFT dot detect and compute. This detects the key points and computes their descriptors. Key points are areas of interest in the image and descriptors that describes these areas mathematically. So we have used the script and apply the SIFT feature extraction on all the images, and that can visualize the SIFT features for the first image. So here CV2.draw key points draws the detected shift key points on the image, and we display the image shift features drawn on it. So here these are the shift feature image that we have get after running this code. So in the conclusion of this video, we explored the several images processing techniques using OpenCV, that includes the loading image and displaying them, applying the Gaussian blur, median filters and Canny edge detection, and also detecting corners using the Harris corner detection, and extracting and visualizing the features using SIFT. So these techniques are foundational for many computer vision tasks such as object recognition and image analysis. Thank you for watching.